G-double-M.
Trapping on watching the road, trapping on Thornton Road, ayy. Shoot to the east side, hit my play on Candler Road, whoa. I trapped on 80 Road, I was always getting them gone, yeah. Hustling in my veins, I'ma get it so, whoa. Trapping on watching the road, trapping on Thornton Road, ayy. Shoot to the east side, hit my play off Candler Road, whoa. I trap on 80 Road, I was always getting them gone, yeah. I got hustler veins, I'ma get it so, whoa. I got them hustler veins, I'ma get it so. I ain't quit trapping cause I'm getting old. If I ain't platinum yet, I'm probably gold. I'm one of the ones, bitch, you know it. Or at least I do. Affirmations in the mirror, he believe it too. I want a cop a old revolver, but the problem is it only holds 3 times 2. And 6 shots ain't enough for me to sweet taboo. I swear I hardly cap, boss shit. Put a bitch on a song who can hardly rap. Brody keep a compact 4-5 in a fanny pack. I'm kinda different, I used to watch my moms and both grannies trap. I'm trying to tell you life was different, they had pounds in the kitchen. I still get active with a risk, I ain't just reminiscing. I done turned everywhere I'm living to a place of business. Going against the grain, still winning. Doing numbers, trap scorching. Trying to make her feel important. Anthony Harris, I keep scoring. I remind the fans of Jordan. Somebody knocking at the door again. They call me Nate the Saint, I done let the Lord in. Pushing weight, it's a forklift. I'm in my zone, getting them gone right off Thornton. Trapping on watching the road, trapping on Thornton Road, ayy. Shoot to the east side, hit my play on Candler Road, whoa. I trapped on 80 Road, I was always getting them gone, yeah. Hustling in my veins, I'ma get it so, whoa. Trapping on watching the road, trapping on Thornton Road, ayy. Shoot to the east side, hit my play off Candler Road, whoa. I trap on 80 Road, I was always getting them gone, yeah. I got hustler veins, I'ma get it so, whoa.